Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to generate beautiful AI images of you and your loved one. Just like you can see on the screen, the pictures displaying on the screen, that is me and my loved one. The two pictures on the left hand side are the original pictures of me and my loved one. The one at the top is me, while the one below is my loved one. While the pictures displaying on the right hand side are the generated beautiful AI photos of me and my loved one. You can see how realistic the AI pictures are looking. The AI images look exactly like me and my loved one. So guys, in this video today, you're going to be learning how to create beautiful and stunning pictures of you and your better half. You'll be able to create memorable photos of you and your boyfriend or your girlfriend. You'll be able to create lovely pictures of you and your lover. You'll be able to create traditional paintings featuring you and your soulmate. You'll be able to generate amazing photos of you and your fiancé or you and your fiancé. You'll be able to create precious year-round photos of you and your best buddy or your bestie. You'll be able to create pretty pictures of you and your wife or you and your husband. So guys, these are many more you're going to be learning today in this video today. So make sure you follow me to the end of this video. Make sure you watch to the end to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, I know you might be wondering what AI tool that I used in actually creating these beautiful AI couple images. So guys, the name of the AI app that I use is actually called Remini AI Photo Enhancer. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this Remini app to generate all these beautiful images that you've seen on this screen today. And also guys, in case you don't know how to download and install this app, you don't have any problem, I'm going to be leaving a link to a video in the description of this video. Go to the description of this video, you're going to see a link there, tap on it. The video will show you guys how you can download and install this app and use it for free as well. And also there is also going to be links there that will show you guys how you can also use this app like a pro to generate beautiful AI images of yourself. So guys, that being said, let me go over to the Remini app now to show you guys how I was able to generate this beautiful and amazing AI pictures of me and my loved one. So guys, now let me show you guys. So guys, let me tap on the Remini app. So guys, now you can see the Remini app is opening. So guys, now you can see I'm on the home page of the Remini app. Once you open the app, this is what it's going to be looking like. So guys, now the next step that you have to take now is to scroll upwards. So let me scroll upwards. So guys, now what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written wedding pictures. You can see what is written there, generate photos with your loved one. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see there are so many models for couple pictures. You can see what is written there, couple pictures. You can see the first model there, romantic photos. So if you want to create romantic photos of you and your loved one, what you have to do is to tap on that model. You'll be able to generate romantic photos. You can see the second model, couple wedding photos. So if you want to generate couple wedding photos, you tap on it. You can see the third one, timeless elegant photos. If you want to generate elegant photos like that, you tap on it. And you can see the next one, maternity photo shoot. So if you want to generate maternity photo shoot with you and your loved one, tap on that one. You can see the next one, vintage wedding photos. You can see the next one, artistic paintings. You can see the next one, time travelers. And you can see the next model, which is the last one, seasonal photos. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to generate amazing photos with all of this model. Well, let me start with the first one, which is romantic model. We can see their romantic photos. So guys, if I want to generate AI photos using that romantic model, what I have to do now is to tap on the romantic photos, or I can tap on the get this pack. So let me tap on the image right away. Let me tap on the romantic photos instead. So guys, now you can see what is written here, romantic photos, create romantic photos with your better half. So guys, now what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written pick two people. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see what is written here, pick two people. You have to upload photos of two persons. The first person will be your own picture, while the second person will be the picture of your loved one. So guys, what you have to do now is to go over to your gallery, to select your picture and that of your loved one. Your loved one can be your girlfriend, your boyfriend, whichever, or your husband or your wife. So guys, for you to do that, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written open gallery. So guys, let me tap on this right away. So guys, now you can see it has directed me to my phone gallery. So let me go ahead now to look for the image, for my image and that of my loved one. Let me make it very fast. So guys, now you can see below, that's the two images I selected. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. That's the two pictures. So what I have to do now is to tap on continue. So let me tap on continue right away. So guys, now you have to identify if the first person is a female or a male. So guys can see the first person is a female, so let me choose female, let me choose the gender female, then let me tap on next. So guys, now you can see the second person is actually me, so let me go for male, then let me tap on start generation. You can see where it is written start generation, so let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it's loading. Let's just wait for a few seconds. So guys can see there is loading. You can see what is written there. We are generating your photos, ready in 2 minutes. So guys, what you have to do is just to wait for 2 minutes. So guys, now you can see our photos are ready. You can see there your photos are ready. Check them out. So let me tap on it. Wow guys, you can see the couple images here. You can see they are so beautiful, they are so lovely. Let me scroll downwards so guys can see them. They are so lovely. So guys can see they are actually 12 in number. So guys, want to see the individual images, what you have to do is to tap on it. So let me tap on this one. So guys can see this is so beautiful. Let me go back and tap another one, and let me tap on this one right here. So guys can see this as well. This is so beautiful. Let me cancel out. Let me tap on another one. Let me go down. Let me tap on this. So guys can see this as well. This is so beautiful. Let me go back. Let me tap on another one. Let me tap on this one right here. So guys, in case you want to save these images, you can either save the images individually or you can save all of them at once. If you want to save all the pictures at once, what you have to do is to tap on where it is written save all. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the images are saving. Let's just wait for a few seconds, they will all be saved. So guys, now you can see saved in gallery. But guys, in case you want to save them individually, what you have to do now is to tap on any of them that you want to save. So let me tap on this one. Then for me to save it, what I have to do now is to tap on save to gallery. You can see it there. So let me tap on save to gallery. And also guys, in case you want to share this beautiful image across various social media platforms, what you have to do now is to tap on share. They will be able to share it on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram and other social media platforms. You can see where share is. You can see the share icon. So guys, let me cancel out of this. So guys, in case you want to generate more, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written generate more. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do now is to go ahead and pick two people, pick two pictures of two persons to generate more. But guys, I don't want to use this model again. Let me go over to another model. Let me choose another model, another couple model. So guys, let me choose one of it. Which am I going to choose now? Let me go for this one, seasonal photos. So let me tap on it, seasonal photos. Let me make it fast. I don't want this video to be too long. So what I have to do now is to tap on pick two people. So let me tap on pick two people. Then what I have to do now is to go over to my gallery by tapping on open gallery. So what I have to do now is to select the images that I want, the two pictures that I want, the picture of me and my loved one. So let me make that fast. So guys can see I've selected two. So let me tap on open. So guys, now you can see the two pictures I selected, the picture of me and my loved one. So what I have to do now is to tap on continue. So let me tap on it. So what I have to do now is to choose the gender. You can see the first person is a female. So let me tap on female. Then let me tap on next. You can see the second person is a male. So let me tap on male. Then let me tap on start generation. So let me tap on this right away. So guys, now you can see the Remini app is working on generating our AI images. You can see what is written there. We are generating your photos ready in 3 minutes. So guys, let's just wait for 2 minutes. Then our amazing, beautiful, lovely, precious images of me and my loved one will be generated. So guys, let's just wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see our photos are ready. You can see there your photos are ready. Check them out. So let me tap on it. Wow guys, you can see these are beautiful. So let me tap on it so you see it. So guys can see this one. This is looking so beautiful. Let me cancel that. Let me tap on the second one. Guys, this is so beautiful and it's looking so real and 100% exactly. Let me cancel that. Let me go over to this one right here. So guys can see this one. This is beautiful. Let me cancel that. Let me tap on this as well. So guys can see this is so beautiful. This is looking exactly like me. So guys, let me cancel out of this. Let me tap on this one as well. So guys can see this is a beach scene. This is actually beautiful. Let me cancel out of this. Let me tap on this. So guys can see this is beautiful. I love this. And let me go down to the bottom to get the last image. So guys can see this. This is a snowy or a winter period. And let me tap on this one as well. You guys can see these are actually beautiful. These pictures are actually beautiful. So guys, like I said again, you can save individually, you can also save all at once. So let me save all at once. So guys, you can see they're actually saving. So guys, this is how you can be able to generate couple AI images between you and your loved ones. So guys, now you can actually use different models. You can see I've just used just two. I've only used two models. There are other models that you can use. Let me cancel out to show you guys, like I showed you guys earlier on. You can see there are so many models that you can use to generate amazing AI images of you and your loved one. But I don't want this video to be too long. That's the reason why I don't want to go ahead to use all of these. There are actually beautiful pictures that you can generate using this model. So guys, like I said earlier on, in case you want to know how to use this app like a professional, in case you want to know how to use this app for free, just like as I'm using it right now, what you have to do is to go over to the description of this video. There's a video link right there that will teach you how to use this app for free, how to use this app to generate amazing images of yourself like a professional. So guys, I've come to the end of this video, and I believe I've been able to show you guys how you can be able to generate amazing, beautiful AI images of you and your loved one. So guys, I've come to the end, and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video like this, you're gonna get notified soon on next upload. Bye bye, peace.